Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect credit card payments on Wix. This is an important setup if you want customers to be able to purchase directly from your website using their cards. And getting it configured correctly can help create a smoother checkout experience. To get started, sign into your Wix account and open your site's main dashboard. This is the control center for your website, and it's where you'll manage important features like payments, settings, and business tools. If you manage multiple Wix websites, make sure you've opened the correct site before continuing, so you don't accidentally change the payment settings for a different project. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains the main configuration options for your site. So if you ever need to update how your business operates online, this is usually one of the first places to check. You'll find a variety of important site and business settings here, so it's useful to become familiar with this area as your website grows. After opening Settings, find and click Accept Payments. This is the area where Wix lets you manage the ways customers can pay you. If you plan to sell products, services, bookings, or anything else through your site, this step is essential because payments need to be connected properly before you can begin taking orders by credit card. For example, whether you're selling physical products, offering consultations, accepting appointment bookings, or providing other paid services, your payment setup is what allows customers to complete those purchases online. Once you're in the payment section, Wix will show you the payment methods available in your region. This part is important because the options you see can vary depending on your country or business location. Take a moment to review the available providers and look for one that supports credit card payments. In many cases, the provider will clearly mention card payments in its description, so it should be fairly easy to identify. You may also want to compare the available options based on supported card types, processing fees, payout schedules, and any other features that matter to your business. When you find a payment method that works for your needs, click Connect. This will begin the setup process for that payment provider. From there, just follow the prompts on the screen and enter the necessary details to complete the connection. Depending on the provider, you may need to sign into an existing account or create a new payment account before the connection can be completed. The exact information requested may vary depending on the provider, but in general, you'll want to review everything carefully and make sure the details you submit are accurate, so your account can be verified without delays. Payment providers may request information such as your business name, contact details, business type, identity information, or other verification details. So make sure anything you provide matches your official information whenever possible. As you complete the setup, pay close attention to any business or banking information required, and double-check that your site's region and currency settings match your intended payment setup. That can help avoid issues later when customers begin checking out. For example, using the correct currency can help prevent confusion for your customers and make sure your payment provider processes transactions the way you expect. Once the connection is finished, your Wix site should be ready to accept credit card payments through the provider you selected. At that point, it's a good idea to return to the payment section and confirm that the method shows as connected and active. That way, you can move forward with more confidence, knowing your checkout is properly set up. You may also want to preview your checkout or place a test order if that option is available, so you can see the payment experience from a customer's point of view before you begin promoting your site. And that's how to connect credit card payments on Wix. Once everything is connected and confirmed, you'll be in a much better position to accept customer payments smoothly and provide a more professional purchasing experience through your website.